happened is this shale rock has left these fossils up. You know, it's hard to tell how old they are. I'm guessing it's really easily, you know, 500 to 1,000 years old. But what's happened is we have the mold in the cap. We have the deal where this isn't, you know, this may be a shell that's turned to rock, petrified. This is actually a mold where the actual shell was against it, and through the years and formed this layer of rock, and then as it broke, all kinds of stuff down in here. Shale rock is kind of cool. Shale rock is what we also can pull oil out of. So we're sitting on a big oil area here. But in terms of the water, what I want to show you is, okay, I want to show you this runoff and how water is flowing. This water is going to flow into the lakes, and it formed a natural pond here. And I just want to show you the power of the water just running off here. I also want to show you the color of the water, because we have two different things here. As the hydrogen bonds make a sheet of water, we begin to get reflective value there. And then as it's flowing right here, okay, as it's flowing right here, we begin to see the waves. So what's the white part of the white caps? That's oxygen being released, okay? So as we see the white caps there, the bubbles, that's all oxygen being released. So where does the hydrogen go? The hydrogen goes up in the air. So I want to zoom in down this river and see all the bubbles that are being formed. The oxygen that we see here in the air, and then the hydrogen that's coming up off of it. So we're able to pick up some, yeah. So see, I just wanted to show you that right here. And then I want to show you too that as we go, okay, as we go, we have what's called first succession and second succession. And look how long this water's been here. We have reeds growing, okay? This was never, once again, this was just runoff and it caught it. But look at the reeds growing. So now we show that the water's been here. That's probably a minimum of 8 to 10 years to have reeds growing. But we have the natural first succession. I want to show you the greens are the grasses, and the vines are first succession. In other words, the water's going to come and wash those out and make sure that no bushes are growing, okay? So we get vines and grasses are first succession. So these are some things we'll talk about a little bit later, but I wanted to show you while we had all this water running off from this 4-inch rain. So we'll move on our next step to the field trip.